Good morning, everyone. First of all, my salutations to my parents, Saraswati. And now I would like to talk about our Indian freedom struggle forces and about the valiant heroes who sacrificed their lives for the country, fighting for us of great development in India. Every year since today is their sacrifice on the day if the white people are doing a lot of destruction and anarchy in our holy country of India, like the holy Sadhvi in the Ramayana, our Senanis and heroic heroes and heroic women, many were have sacrificed their lives and brought freedom to our life and disappeared, but they have left a mark on our hearts forever. First of all, Jawahar Sarojini Naidu, Sri Shakti Rupini, the India Cuckoo poet, was elected the first woman governor of a state in India and played a vital role in the freedom struggle. Dr. Baba Saheb was one of the architects of the Indian Constitution. God gave a helping hand to the wake-up sections of the community, and he served as the first Prime Minister of India. Jawahar Mangal Pandey, he became a Sipahi in 1857 and was hanged by the British for bringing awareness. His fellow British soldiers, George County Jaffer, played his part in the independence struggle by fighting against the last Mughal emperor of East India in India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a key Indian national leader who played a key role in the Quit India movement and served as Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who served as the first president, participated in the Salt Satyagraham, Quit India, and was imprisoned several times by the British. Rani Jhansi Lakshmi Bai is a proof of bravery. The Jhansi Lakshmi Bai was a brave soldier who fought against the British and a great man, even with a chain on her waist to protect her kingdom. Jawaharlal Nehru, he was the first Prime Minister of India and improved the welfare system during the long independence struggle and was a staunch Gandhian. George Chandrasekhar Azad, he was a great revolutionary. He founded as an independence army and hated the British so much that he would rather die at the hands of the British police. George Subhash Chandra Bose was the leader of the freedom struggle founded by the Indian National Army, and his words, "Say your blood with me and I will bring you freedom," gave freedom to Indians. John Mahatma Gandhi, our leader of non-violence, fought regardless of freedom to independence as a supreme citizen and left us with both his smile. John Bhagat Singh, of a great warrior, threw a bomb at the British Assembly during the war, went to jail and was hanged on the gallows at the age of 23 years. Johara Bakha, at the age of 25, a massacre broke out in the Portuguese army, and for 4 decades, the white dictatorship fought in her kingdom. If she fought with a squad, the world would be subjugated. If she fought and died, a heroic death. Swami Dayananda Saraswati, he is a Sarva Vijnana Jnana Murti who was picked to serve Jnana in India. Why is Sanatana Dharma going toward destruction? He turned to the west, and on March 1st, 1867, he accepted the Akhanda Kashaya flag and covered many evils and injustices with the argument of Hita, Dharma, teaching and preached Dharma. In the end, the British king Scorpion recognized him and made him die. George Gopal Krishna Gokhale, he got his degree at the age of 18 and became the nickname of educationists. He opposed taxes in the country. He selflessly served the country by saying that government salaries should be stopped for university. He fought a sharp squad. George Kitturani Chinnamma, a heroic woman who killed the collector by attacking the collector in a national struggle. The British East India Company raided the fort and took captive for 4 years, where she died. John Malala Dhimla, younger by atrocities in India, he shot at a British officer and was hanged on the gallows at the age of 23 years when his ashes were lived in India. vanish.